Hey there! Have you ever wanted to see your name on Google's homepage instead of the Google logo? Well, today I'm going to show you a super cool trick that lets you customize Google's logo to display any name you want, whether it's your name, your brand, or even a message for someone special. Let's dive right in. This trick is completely free, takes less than 2 minutes to set up, and works perfectly on Google Chrome. We'll be using a simple browser extension called My Doodle, and don't worry, I'll walk you through every single step. Step 1. Open Chrome. First things first. Open your Google Chrome browser. If you don't have Chrome installed, you'll need to download it for this tutorial. Step 2. Visit Google. Now go to your address bar at the top and type in google.com, then hit enter. As you can see, we've got the standard Google homepage with the classic Google logo. In just a minute, we're going to replace this with our own custom text. Step 3. Search for My Doodle extension. Here's where the magic happens. In your address bar, search for My Doodle Chrome extension, or simply type Chrome Web Store My Doodle. Click on the first official link that takes you to the Chrome Web Store. Step 4. Add the extension. You'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click that now. Chrome will show you a permission notice saying the extension can read and change data on google.com sites. This is normal. The extension needs this permission to replace the logo with your custom text. Click Add Extension to confirm. Step 5. Extension installed. Perfect. You'll see a confirmation that My Doodle has been added to Chrome. Optional note: if you want this extension on all your devices, you can sign into Chrome to sync it across computers, but this is totally optional. Step 6. Access the extension. Now, look at the top right corner of your browser. You'll see a puzzle piece icon. That's your extensions menu. Click it. Find My Doodle in the list and make sure it's toggled on. You can also pin it to your toolbar by clicking the pin icon for easier access. Step 7. Customize your text. Click on the My Doodle icon. A small pop-up will appear with a text field. This is where you type whatever you want to appear on Google. For this demonstration, I'm going to type your name/brand. You can use your first name, your full name, your YouTube channel name, a nickname, or even a motivational message. Type your custom text, then close the pop-up. Step 8. See your custom Google. Now for the moment of truth. Go back to google.com or refresh the page. And wow! Look at that! The Google logo has been completely replaced with our custom text. How cool is that? Every time you open Google, you'll see your personalized name instead of the standard logo. You can change this anytime by clicking the My Doodle icon and entering new text. The possibilities are endless. And that's it. You've just learned how to customize Google's logo with your own name in under 3 minutes. Quick recap. Install the My Doodle extension from Chrome Web Store. Click the extension icon. Type your custom text. Enjoy your personalized Google. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips and tricks like this one. Have a creative idea for what to display on your Google homepage? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.